Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can create your TikTok account on your Android smartphone. To do so, first of all, just download the TikTok app from your Google Play Store, and after downloading TikTok, open it up and go into your profile, which is on the bottom right side of the screen. Here I'm on my profile right now and I don't have any logged in account. To create your account, you just have to click on login. Here, if you have an account or if you want to add an existing account, you can just click on add existing account, or the account you have will just show up. But to create an account, if you don't have one, there's an option for sign up on the bottom of the screen. Click on sign up. After clicking on sign up, you can see these three options appear. That you can use your Facebook, your Google, or even your phone number or email to create a TikTok account. Now choose any of the option that you feel is viable, and after that you'll be able to log in and create a new TikTok account. This was for this video, and that's how easy it is to create a TikTok account. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.